Request wanting to see my in-cut floor. This is what it looks like after it's been put down. Sanded, 1 coat of stain and 1 coat of poly. I'm still going to put about 2 more coats of poly and buff it before I coat it, so it'll look way more shinier. I still got to finish my living room floor. I'm going to get all the other floors in the house up to this point and then do all the poly and the final poly and all at one time. I'm going to show you my living room floor. Herringbone on the corners. And this is my tree mosaic. I guess that's what you call it. Here's the trunk of the tree. And you can see these curly curved pieces. They make branches. But it's a big tree. And all the little small round pieces are the leaves in between the branches. And there's like 8 different kinds of wood in this. They're all different varieties of trees that's around here. And I'll show you my bathroom floor while I'm going on that. Creek stone I gathered right out of the front yard. And I still got to do the stairs and the upstairs floor, which is all put down. Just gotta sand and stain it. Thanks for watching.